Hey, what's up everybody? It's Marks Brownlee here, and today we're diving into the world of photo animation with Pixaloop. Pixaloop is this really cool app that lets you take your ordinary photos and bring them to life. It's super fun to use, and you can create some really eye-catching visuals. Imagine turning a still photo of a waterfall into a mesmerizing video with cascading water. Or picture animating the clouds in your landscape shots to create a dramatic time-lapse effect. That's the magic of Pixaloop. It's like having a mini animation studio right in your pocket. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or just looking for a creative outlet, Pixaloop is an app worth checking out. It's incredibly easy to use, and the results you can achieve are simply stunning. In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to get started with Pixaloop. We'll cover downloading and installing the app, navigating the interface, and using the key features to create your own animated masterpieces. So, if you're ready to transform your photos into captivating animations, stick around and let's get started. First things first, let's get Pixaloop onto your device. Pixaloop is available for both Android and iOS devices, so no matter what phone you're rocking, you're good to go. Head over to the Google Play Store if you're on Android, or the App Store if you're on iOS. Once you're in the store, simply search for Pixaloop. You should see the app pop up right away. It's the one with the icon that looks like a stylized P. Tap on the app to go to its download page. Now, hit that download or install button and let the magic happen. The app is a decent size, so make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi, especially if you're on a limited data plan. Once the download is complete, the app will automatically install on your device. You'll then find the Pixaloop icon on your home screen or app drawer, ready for you to unleash your creativity. Alright, let's fire up Pixaloop and take a look around. When you first open the app, you'll be greeted by a clean and intuitive interface that's super easy to navigate. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a few main tabs: Projects, Explore, and Profile. The Projects tab is where all your saved animations will live. Explore is where you can find inspiration from other Pixaloop creators and even participate in challenges. And Profile is where you can manage your account settings. But for now, let's focus on the heart of the app: creating animations. To start a new project, simply tap the big plus button at the bottom center of the screen. This will open up your device's photo library. Select the photo you want to animate, and you'll be taken to the main editing screen. Here, you'll see your chosen photo at the top, and below it, a toolbar with a bunch of cool editing tools. Section 4. Animating your photos with Pixaloop. Now, for the fun part, bringing your photos to life. One of the coolest features in Pixaloop is the Animate tool. This tool lets you add movement to specific parts of your image. Let's say you have a photo of a river and want to make the water flow. First, tap on the Animate tool in the toolbar. You'll notice a bunch of arrows appear on your photo. These arrows represent the direction of the animation. To make the river flow, simply draw a path along the river with your finger, following the natural flow of the water. You can adjust the speed and intensity of the animation using the sliders on the right side of the screen. Experiment with different settings until you get the desired effect. Pixaloop also has a handy loop feature that seamlessly repeats the animation, creating a continuous loop. Section 5. Enhancing your animations with overlays and sound. Once you've got the hang of animating your photos, you can take things to the next level with overlays and sound effects. Overlays are pre-made animations that you can add to your photos to create some really cool effects. Think falling snow, sparkling lights, or even floating bubbles. To add an overlay, tap on the Overlay tool in the toolbar. You'll find a library of different overlays to choose from, categorized by themes like nature, urban, and abstract. Select an overlay that you like, and it will be added to your photo. You can then adjust its position, size, and opacity using the on-screen controls. Sound effects can also add a whole other dimension to your animations. Pixaloop lets you add music or sound effects from your own library, or choose from their collection of royalty-free sounds. To add sound, tap on the Sound tool and select your desired audio file. Section 6. Sharing your Pixaloop creations. Once you're happy with your animated masterpiece, it's time to share it with the world. Pixaloop makes it super easy to save and share your creations. To save your animation, tap on the Export button, which looks like an upward arrow. You can choose to save your animation as a video file or a GIF. Once your animation is saved, you can share it directly to your favorite social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook. You can also save it to your device's camera roll to share it later. When sharing your creations, don't forget to tag #Pixaloop so others can check out your awesome work. Section 7. Tips for creating stunning animations. Here are a few bonus tips to help you create professional-looking animations with Pixaloop. Start with high-quality photos. The better the quality of your starting photo, the better your animation will look. Think about the movement. Before you start animating, visualize how you want your image to move. This will help you create more natural and believable animations. Don't overdo it. Sometimes, less is more. Avoid animating too many elements in your photo, as this can make the animation look cluttered and confusing. Experiment with different tools and settings. Pixaloop offers a wide range of tools and settings. Don't be afraid to experiment and see what works best for your photos. Have fun. Pixaloop is all about being creative and having fun. So, relax, experiment, and see what amazing animations you can create. And that's a wrap. I hope this video has inspired you to try out Pixaloop and unleash your creativity. If you do create some cool animations, be sure to share them with me on social media. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and reviews. Until next time, peace out.